Alright, so today's video is just a quick video of me painting two engines. I have the engine that I put in the green coupe here, which I'm pretty far along with that one, and an engine that I bought for the red Boss 302 car that I just started sheet metal on, which is sitting here. It's a Boss 302 service block that's been rebuilt. It's stroked. It's a 331. It's got a big cam in it. I recently bought that, so I painted both at the same time while I had some paint left over. I used Eastwood ceramic paint in a spray gun. You mix it 4-to-1, loaded it up and sprayed the two engines. But first I had to clean the blocks. Both were rebuilt. The one in the green coupe here is a Jasper 302. It's just a remanufactured. It has a warranty on it. My dad, if you don't know in the other videos, I use them a lot for whenever I'm restoring these cars because it's a solid rebuilt engine. Comes with a warranty. It's a 3-year warranty on it. So, and I'm going to drive the car, so it helps out for a build like this. But in today's video, I have a sponsor of Superclean. So I'm going to do a little bit of a giveaway, and I thought it made sense with this video because I used that to clean and prep the blocks before I painted them. And for this video, what I'm going to do is, if you head over to my Instagram, it's at Peterson Restorations, and leave a comment, Superclean, I'm going to give away these two products here. They'll send them to you, the regular degreaser and the spray foam degreaser, which actually I use this a ton just because it's nice to see. I'll just spray it here. You can see it foams up so you can see what you're cleaning. So I really like that stuff. And I don't put things on my videos that I don't use or wouldn't like or recommend to use. So I do recommend Superclean stuff. So like I said, if you go over to my Instagram, Peterson Restorations, leave a comment, Superclean, and I'll pick one person at random to get those two products right there. They'll get shipped out to you. So thanks for watching this video. You'll see I'll set up my paint station there. I just mix it up, put it in my hopper, sprayed the two engines, and then I show them here. I had them sitting in the garage here already done, sitting on the engine stand, and I had this one. I was blowing through this green coupe lately to get that running, which I'm going to fire it up this week, so I'll have some videos on that. And I'll also have some videos on the yellow Boss Resto Mod behind me, which is going to be at Meekum, Harrisburg at the very end of July. It's a Saturday car. The lot number's S101, so if you're interested, it's on their website. You can check out all the pictures on that, but I'll have some videos coming of it running so people can see all over the car and get some details on that. So yeah, just a fun video. It's cool to paint something, make things look good, so enjoy the video. So that's the finished product. Really nice paint. That's from Eastwood. It's a ceramic. It's a mixed paint. I use it in a spray gun. You can brush it on also, but turns out really nice with a spray gun. And this is the Boss block. The other engine, actually, I sprayed it last week, and here I just am buttoning up, putting it in the car actually. So everything looks pretty good, all put together there. I'm just about ready to fire it up. Turned out great. Just wanted to make a cool little video of just spraying these. It's nice to see it finished, sitting in the car here, going to fire it up. Hopefully in the next couple days here. Just got my drive shaft, dropped off my yoke to have my drive shaft made. I had to get a measurement for that. Just gonna finish up some wiring and then gonna fire up this car. Lots of stuff going on here. Just been busy. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment on my Instagram post for that Superclean giveaway. And thanks for watching.